In the heart of Africa, where innovation meets opportunity, a new movement is rising. A movement that ignites hope, fuels dreams, and embraces the spirit of self-reliance. My name is Richard Ndewa, and this is Nunua KE, where I'll be showing you Kenya industries and manufacturing processes to equip everyone with the right knowledge and skills to move forward our production. Welcome, and let's dive in. Have you ever wondered why we work so hard to bring products from distant lands while our own treasures lie forgotten on shelves waiting to be discovered? It is time to rewrite this narrative. It is time to envision our future where our children thrive, our industries flourish, and where innovation paves the way forward. Imagine a wave of creativity sweeping across the nation where minds unite, ideas blossom, and the spark of innovation lights up every corner. We are not just in a race against time, we are in a race against mediocrity. Our destiny is tied to our ability to create, to invent, and to build. As our population grows, so does our responsibility. The demand for energy, the need for sustenance. These challenges call for solutions that are born right here within our borders. The battle of innovation and production can't be won by mere wishful thinking. It demands action, commitment, and a radical shift in perspective. Introducing Nunua KE, a movement that's redefining the Kenyan dream. This isn't just about products. This is about pride, about empowering our own, and about writing a story of resilience. Join us as we celebrate the architects of our future, the creators, the dreamers, the visionaries who are shaping industries and innovation at a time. The path to victory lies within each one of us by choosing our product. We're not just making a purchase, we are investing in our country's potential. It is a journey that will echo across borders, transcending nations and inspiring the world with the beauty and the ambition. Together, let's paint a canvas of possibility. Let's dream big. Let's innovate. Let's propel Kenya towards a brighter tomorrow. Nunua KE Innovation, empowering Kenya. Please subscribe, like, share this video, and let me know which industry or company you'd like me to feature in my next video. Bye bye.